Alright, the reason we are using slicer to interconnect all the charts in the dashboard, so that when we select one value like a specific country, gender or age group. Hi everyone, today we are going to create a powerful and interactive banking customer churn analysis dashboard using Power BI. In this project, our main goal is to understand why customers are leaving the bank and what patterns or trends are causing churn. We will analyze different factors like customer age, gender, country, credit score, balance, tenure, and more to figure out which type of customers are more likely to leave and how we can help the bank retain them. Using Power BI, we will build various visual charts step by step like donut chart, column chart, and KPI cards to make our insight easy to understand and visually appealing. We will also add slicer, which will let us filter and interact with all the chart on a single click. This makes it easier to explore a specific customer segment like a particular country or age group. So let's start. So now I'm going to upload the data set from my local machine. Click on get data, and after that click on text /CSV and upload your data set. So here you can see I have uploaded data set from my local machine. So now click on here. So now we'll start creating the first chart. So the first chart that we are going to create, that is customer churn distribution. So for that we are going to use that is donut chart. Click on here and drag and drop this exit under the legend, and customer ID just drag and drop under the values. Let us change the main project background color. So for that click on here and click on this, format your report page, and click on canvas background, and after that here click on this color. Since I need this color, we need to decrease the transparency. We'll work on chart. So here we need to modify the color and the text and each and everything. All right, click on here and click on visual legend, just off it, and slicer. So here we need to change this board color. So first here I'm going to change this color. Click on here, and after that click on more colors. I need this color, and this color, dark blue dark color, that I need to change. Here I need, there is orange color, just let me check. I need to change this color, blue dark color. This color should be perfect for this. So now what I have to do, now we need to change the background of this chart. Click on here, and after that click on general, click on effects, and here you can see the background color. Click on here and we need this color. All right, so here you can see the text and value which are not visible. So for that what we have to do, just click on visual, click on details label, just here below you can see the value, just scroll down, the color we need, that is white color. Okay, so next we need to change the text color of the title. So what we have to do, this just click on here and go to here general, and here you can see called the title. Click on here, and here this is the title name. Just remove all, type this, but which is not visible, but I need to change the color. So just scroll down, and here you can see the text color. Click on white. And next, what I need here, you can see this horizontal alignment center. Just a moment. Okay, so we need to change the border color. So for that, here you can see call format your visual. Click on here and type here visual border. Just click on, and here we need the black color, but if you need any other color apart from black color, you can choose from here. All right, so next, just we need to change the border here around that corner, right? So for that, what we have to do, just we need to expand this like this, right? So just here. So next chart that we are going to create, that is customer churn by geography. So for that, we'll use that is cluster column chart. So now just drag and drop geography under the x-axis, customer ID under the y-axis, exit under the legend. Now we need to modify this chart. So for that, what we have to do, without wasting much time, just I'll click on this chart, and I'll go to format painter, and after that I'll click on here. All right, so here you can see, first I'm going to change the title name of the chart. To change the title name of this chart, so for that, click on here, and after that go to here, and after that click on general. After that, go to title, and this text, just remove it and type this. So next, what we have to do, now we are going to work on x-axis and y-axis. First, we are going to work on x-axis. Click on here. The text color should be, sorry, the value color, sorry, the text color should be white. And then I don't need this title. Just click on off, and you can see this value and the title. First, I'm going to change this value color. So for that, what I have to do, just scroll down and click on y-axis, and click on values, and click on color, and select this white. Now you can see, right, the value are visible now. So to off this title name, so just scroll down and click on title off, and here to hide this grid line. So for that, what I have to do, just let me check, just here you can see called a grid line. Click on here under the visual, and after that click on off. So next chart that we are going to create, that is customer churn by gender. So for that, again, we are going to use this cluster column chart. So here you can see under the x-axis that we are going to drag and drop, that is gender, and customer ID under the y-axis, exit under the legend. All right, so again, to change this the color, or to modify this chart. So for that, what I have to do, just click on this chart and click on format pattern and click on here. All right, so now only we need to change the title name of this chart. To change the title name of this chart, so for that, click on here, this chart, and after that click on here, and after that click on general and click on title, select all the text and remove and write this. Next chart we are going to create, that is customer churn by age group. So for that, what we have to do, again we are going to use, that is cluster column chart. So before moving ahead, we need to create new column name, that is age group. So for that, what we have to do, just click on this table view, and after that here you can see call new column. Click on the new column, and after that remove all, type this. So now hit enter key button. So here you can see we have already created the new column name, that is age group. So now go to report view, so now drag and drop, that is age group, under the x-axis, customer ID under the y-axis, exit under the legend. To modify this chart, so for that, just click any chart, and after that click on format pattern and click on here. All right, so now only we need to change, that is the title name of the chart. Just click on here, and after that go to here and click on general and click on title, select all the text and type this. So the next chart that we are going to create, that is customer churn by tenure. So for that, again we are going to use, that is cluster column chart. Drag this tenure under the x-axis and drag and drop, again that is customer ID under the y-axis. Drag and drop this exit under the legend. To modify this chart, click any chart and click on again format pattern and click on here. So now we need to change the title name of the chart. So for that, click on this chart and go to this format your visual, and after that go to general, click on title, select all and remove it, type this. So next we will create customer churn by number of products. So for that, again we are going to use, that is cluster column chart, and here number of product will drag and drop under the x-axis, customer ID under the y-axis, exit under the legend. To modify of this chart, click on any chart and go to here format pattern, click on here. So now we need to change the title of the chart. So for that, click on here and go to here, click on general, click on title, select all the text, remove all text, type this. So next chart that we are going to create, that is customer churn by balance range. So before moving ahead, we need to create new column name, that is balance range. To create the new column name, for that again we need to go to the here table view and after that here you can see called the new column. Click on here, remove all of this and hit enter key. So here you can see that we have already created new column name. Now click on here, report view. So for that we are going to use again, that is cluster column chart. So now drag and drop this balance range under the x-axis, customer ID under the y-axis, exit under the legend. To modify this chart, so for that what we have to do, just click on any chart and go to format painter and click on here this chart. Now we need to change the title name of the chart. So for that click on this chart and go to here, click on general, click on title, select all the text, remove, type this. Next we are going to create customer by credit score range. So for that again we need to create new column name, that is credit score range. So for that click on here again, table view, and click on new column, remove all this, type this and hit enter key. Here you can see we have already created, that is credit score range. Click on here, report view. So again we are going to use, that is cluster column chart. So now drag and drop this credit score range under the x-axis, customer ID under the y-axis, exit under the legend. To modify this chart, click on any chart and after that click on format painter and click on this chart. Now we need to change the title name of the chart. Click on here and click on this and click on general, click on title, select all the text, remove and type this. Next we are going to create, that is total churn customer. So for that we are going to use cart KPI. Click on this cart. So before moving ahead, first we need to create, that is new measure. That click on this new measure, remove this, type this and hit enter key. So here you can see we have already created new measure name. Now drag and drop this total churn under the field. Now drag and drop this total churn under the field. To modify this chart background color, so for that click on any chart and go to format painter, click on this. You can see the value and the text which are not visible clearly. To change the color both value and text, so for that here click on here, format your visual, click on call out value, change the color white, and next click on category label, change the color again white. So next we are going to create there is average tenure. So for that, what we have to do, again just click on this, right click, copy, copy visual, Control plus V. Just remove this total chart. Now drag and drop this tenure under the field. So now we are going to create project title name. So for that, here you can see call insert, click on here insert, and after that here you can see text box. Just drag like this, and here we need to type text. Select all the text, select bold, the size of the text 28. Now we need to change the color of this text. Just select all the text and click on here font color menu, select this orange color. Alright, now we need to change the background color of this text. So for that, click on any chart, and after that go to home and click on format painter and click on here. So next we are going to add slicers, helps user interact with dashboard by filtering data. So for that, what we have to do, go to here, you can see called the slicer, click on slicer, just add the geography under the field, to change this background color. So for that, click on any chart, go to format painter, click on here. Alright, so now here you can see text are not visible. So for that, what we have to do, to change the all the text color. So for that, click on here, click on slicer header, select on white, next click on values, just scroll down, select on white color. So next, one more slicer that we are going to add for age group. So for that, just click on this slicer, right click, copy, copy visual, and Control plus V. Drag and drop this age group under the field. Alright, the reason we are using slicer to interconnect all the charts in the dashboard, so that when we select one value like its specific country, gender, or age group, all the visual update at once. This allows us to see everything on one click without needing to create multiple pages or charts. It helps us quickly explore different segments and find insight faster and more easily. So friends, this is how you can create attractive dashboard to your client. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.